Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a DIY hair growth butter. If you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So the first ingredient that you're going to need for this recipe is going to be 1 tablespoon of fenugreek powder. Fenugreek helps in treating dandruff, itchy and flaky scalp, treating hair loss, triggering hair growth, and adding the lost shine to your hair, and also helps to regrow lost hair. 1 tablespoon of neem powder. Neem powder has antioxidant properties that help prevent baldness as well as treat scalp issues. Then you're going to need 1 tablespoon of cloves. Cloves help to repair, strengthen, and add shine to your hair shaft. 1 tablespoon of cassia powder. Cassia powder is an excellent conditioner. It strengthens the hair shaft, enhances volume, adds shine, and helps to improve dandruff. Next, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of anise stars. Anise stars help significantly in developing new hair, as well as repair damaged edges, protect them from splitting, and is ideal for damaged hair. And then I have 1 tablespoon of bringrage. Bringrage helps to promote hair growth, strengthen hair, and prevent graying and dandruff. Also, I added 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds, and coffee helps to stimulate your hair roots as well as prevent hair loss and boost hair growth. Also, coffee can help to detangle unmanageable hair and make your hair shaft stronger and smoother. So now I'm just going to take all my ingredients and place them into a mason jar. After I've added my ingredients into the mason jar, I'm just going to pour in 1.5 cups of melted shea butter. So now I'm just going to place the mason jar into a pot of boiling water. I have my stove set in between medium to low heat. If you choose not to do this method, you can also use a crock pot, or if you don't want to use heat at all, you can place the mason jar into a cabinet and you can leave the oil in the cabinet for about 2 weeks. After 2.5 hours, I removed the mason jar from the heat and I allowed the oil to cool down. And now I'm just going to strain the oil using a cheesecloth. Now I'm just going to take the butter and place it into the refrigerator, and I'm just going to let it sit there for about an hour. So I removed the butter out of the refrigerator. I didn't want it to become completely solid, so that way it's easier to work with. So now I'm just going to use my electric mixer to whip the butter. I'm using the whisk attachment. So after the butter is whipped, I'm just going to place it into an empty container. Right now it looks a little liquidy, but after some time it will start to become more solid. With this butter, you can use it daily or 2 to 3 times a week. All you want to do is just apply it to your scalp as well as the ends of your hair, and you can apply it to dry or damp hair. I would suggest using your favorite leave-in spray and then following up with this hair butter to seal in the moisture. Also, with this butter, you can use it as a deep conditioning hair mask. Just apply it all over your hair from root to ends. Put on a shower cap and let it sit for about 30 minutes, or you could sit under a hooded blow dryer for about 15 minutes and then follow up with your favorite shampoo. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.